Hey Jarbas, open display.
Starting display.
Hey Jarbas, random image.
Displaying random picture.
Hey Jarbas, tell me about Epic.
Earth polychromatic imaging camera Epic instrument. Uniquely positioned at the Earth-Sun Lagrange point, Epic provides full disk imagery of the Earth and captures unique perspectives of certain astronomical events such as lunar transits using a detector coupled to a 30 cm aperture cast-grain telescope.
Hey Jarbas, Earth from space.
Near real-time picture of Earth from 2017-08-19-21-34-14.
Hey Jarbas, image scale up.
Increasing display size.
Hey Jarbas, next picture.
Displaying next picture.
Hey Jarbas, next picture.
Displaying next picture.
Hey Jarbas, previous picture.
Displaying previous picture.
Thank you.
My pleasure.